Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-5002 Intellect torque tester, a revolutionary instrument designed to transform your torque measurement and testing processes. This cutting-edge tool combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the diverse needs of calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. With its single-step access to all functions, the AWS 5002 ensures effortless operation and minimizes training time. You can quickly navigate through various settings and options with just a few button presses. The plug-and-play technology enables seamless integration and reduces setup time. Simply connect the transducer, and the AWS 5002 will be ready to use. The AWS 5002 offers a wide range of measurement units, including AWS, in, lb, ft, Newton meters, cnm, kgfcm, gfcm, and kgfm. This versatility allows you to adapt to different industry standards and requirements with ease. To accommodate various testing needs, the AWS 5002 provides selectable filtering speeds from 125 Hz to 2000 Hz. This feature allows you to optimize the tester's performance based on the specific application, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements. With a torque range of 2200 AWS in and an accuracy of 0.25%, the AWS 5002 delivers precise and dependable results. Its quarter-inch SQ drive size makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Elevate your torque measurement and testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS 5002 Intellect torque tester. Its single-step access, plug-and-play functionality, versatile measurement units, and selectable filtering speeds make it an indispensable tool for calibration, assembly, and tool room professionals. Invest in the AWS 5002 and experience precision, efficiency, and reliability like never before.